Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the hoyiours digital hygrometer. It's an indoor thermometer for home use. We have here a 3-pack, of course. It's also available in a 2-pack on the market. It's available in black and gray and white, as you like. We have here a 3-pack mini humidity meter room thermometer with 3-second fast refresh accurate sensor. This gives us information about the temperature, the humidity monitor for desktop, office, bedroom, and where you like. This is a comfort indicator device. The mini thermometer and hygrometers with particle comfort indicator and a vivid visual experience to help us immediately understand the humidity level. The room thermometer and hygrometer have a highly accurate sensor and 16 sensitive bands, and they update reading every 3 seconds to give us the latest and most accurate temperature and humidity readings. Temperature range minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. These are minus 50 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. And humidity range 10% to 99%. The RH with an accuracy of plus minus 1 degree Celsius and plus minus 3% RH. It's portable and really easy to read, as you can see. Because I'm here round about 3 meters away from the device and I can sharply see the values. No prop. The digital thermometer has a large clear display and a compact size. The wide LCD display with large bold numbers makes it easier and clearer to read the temperature and the humidity. Simply press the degrees Celsius / degrees Fahrenheit switchable button to select the Celsius or Fahrenheit temperature units on the backside. This mini and lightweight digital thermometer for room temperature comes ready to use out of the box. It's easy to carry and it has a stylish design that blends in perfectly with our rooms. And we have versatile mounting options. The indoor thermometer for home can be mounted in a variety of ways, on a stand, on a wall, or paste mount. We're using double-sided tape and hanging holes. We can stick or place the home thermometer anywhere we like, such as the fridge, the counter, the living room, the nursery, the kitchen, the basement, the office, the conservatory, the guitar room, the office, the garden, and the cellar. As you like. This upgraded digital hygrometer and thermometer is more accurate and easier to use than an analog and chemical thermometer. And with a humidity alert, if the air is too dry or the humidity, it can be determined to sensitive humans, animals, plants, etc. We will find it important to use the room thermometer to monitor the humidity and the temperature of our surroundings. This allows us to react in advance by alert adjustment to humidifiers, dehumidifiers, and humidifiers to prevent colds, dry skin, asthma, allergies, mold, and other problems, and protect us and our family health. And it is so compact, and it makes the job really fast, easy, and accurate. Humidity, comfort indicator. We can use degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, temperature, 3 seconds refresh, and paste mount. The temperature and the humidity are closely related to our respiratory health, allergic disease, skin health, and various other physical conditions. They know us want to find the best hygrometer thermometer in this dry weather. This hoyiours indoor thermometer is perfect choice for us. On its large screen, We can clearly know if the air condition is normal, and we can clearly understand if the air condition is humid or dry. The hygrometer's humidity level icon showing the dry, comfortable, wet air, for example, and it will tell us if the current environment is comfortable, so we can make adjustment in the life. We ensure the proper humidity to control living conditions in our home by preventing colds, dry skin, asthma, allergies, mold, and more and more. It's also good for our breathing and other physical health. This room thermometer is a must-have for nurseries, elders, reptiles, plants, greenhouses, cellars, wine cellars, guitar rooms, and anywhere else we need it. This is a perfect indoor hygrometer. The thermometer is the best assistant to measure the temperature and the humidity accurately and quickly. The temperature ranges are from minus 50 degrees Celsius up to 70. The humidity range is 10% up to 99. The temperature tolerance plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, humidity tolerance 3%, and measurement frequency is awesome 3 seconds. Then humidity. Less than 40% is too dry. More than 40% up to 70% is comfortable. And more than 70% is wet. So we have to change a little bit. The temperature and the humidity gauge using the clear display, the weird smiley face emoji indicates the comfort of the room, so that we can understand at a glance the change in the home can whatever to take humidification or dehumidification measurements to provide the most meticulous care for us and our family. Because it's easy to read and easy to use. We have a 1.8-inch LCD display, features a slim, uncluttered border that is easy to read from any angle and distance. In addition, the portable and the lightweight design is perfect for saving space, and the digital thermometer can freely switch between degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. And high reliability and accuracy. Here you can see. It's really cool and easy. This is the hoyiours digital hygrometer for indoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun!